You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby oh. This body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bustin' at the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sneaky. Happy New Year. And for today's video, as you guys can see already by the title, I got knotless braids done, and I got them done while I was in Nigeria for 3 weeks. So you guys are going to see the process of how I got these braids. And you know what I love about these braids is literally the first day I was literally able to do this and this. I could put my hair up if I wanted to. Literally no pain, no nothing. And I'm loving the way my hair is currently growing out of it. I do plan on wearing this hair for a long time, and if you guys want to see like my takedown process, I will do that for you guys. The first hairstyle I did was KNOTLESS, as you guys know already. So many people asking me for the details for the hairstylist that did my hair. I'll leave her link. I'll leave her number down below. You just gotta call her up and tell her it's from me, and yeah, you guys can sort it out if you are in Lagos. Yeah, just Lagos, I think, and she'll come to you. She does like home visits, so yeah, just contact her and, you know, be nice and everything. For the video, I have made the video in real time, and some bits are fast forwarded for people who are beginners and want to do it themselves, and for stylists who want to copy her technique or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys do like that, because if I was a beginner I wouldn't want to watch a video that's fast forwarded. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I don't really know what to say in front of the camera anymore, because I haven't, literally it's been like over a month since I've spoken to a camera. But yeah, stay tuned for my Lagos vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. I love these braids so much. Bye guys. I don't know. Okay guys, so she started off by braiding my natural hair first, and then she added some of the braiding hair, and she used only a little bit at first, and then it started getting bigger and bigger until basically the braid was even. And I think the method for this is called Ghana braiding, or feeding braids, where you just add small sections and then the braid gets bigger and bigger. And the parts that she gave me was like a box braid type of parting that was super clean, and she really took her time when she was doing my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is in its like pure natural state. I literally just washed my hair during that day, and I didn't have any products or anything. I just used like conditioner and added a little bit of shea butter onto my hair, so that's why my hair is looking kind of like how do I explain it, like dry. So yeah, she can do any type of hair. You guys don't need to blow dry your hair or anything, but it would be more helpful if you did blow dry your hair, because the process would be a lot faster. But she did manage to do my hair without it being blow dried. So yeah, I really love these knotless braids, because literally the first day you can go to sleep without any pain. And even like the cane rows that she did for me, I went to sleep so easily. And she's very, very gentle with your hair. I know it looks like she's tugging on my hair and stuff, but I didn't feel anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the music play for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I really enjoyed like the whole experience of getting my hair braided like outside and not like inside a salon or anything. It was really, really cool. But now I've got like mosquito bites all on my leg because I stayed out literally till late at night, and that's when all the mosquitoes like to come out and play. So yeah, I really love this experience, and let me know what you guys think of my hair down below. Do you guys think it suits me? Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omo Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point instrumental, giving you one time. It's okay. Bad hunting will take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away.